Lava lamps. They remind you of the 70s, right? Well, as much fun as they are to watch, the science behind them is even more entertaining. Here is footage of the lava lamp that we made in science class. The oil, as you can see, the oil is sitting on top of the water. This shows the oil is less dense than the water. But also you can see that the oil is less dense than the food coloring because the food coloring does not mix with it. The food coloring and the water are the same amount of density because they mix together. Water is a pure substance, but the oil and the food coloring are not. Water, oil, and food coloring are all homogeneous because they are uniform throughout. The three are also flowy as well as liquid, meaning it has an indefinite shape and a definite volume. A substance made up of certain molecules is called a chemical compound. Water is a chemical compound because its molecules have 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, hence the term H2O. Here you can see the Alka seltzer is more dense than the water and the oil because it sinks right to the bottom. The Alka seltzer makes the water bubble, and the bubbles are the less dense than the oil, which makes them float to the top. The bubbles forms because the Alka seltzer is releasing gas. Physical properties can be observed or measured without changing the composition of matter. An example of physical properties for water is that it's clear, takes the shape of the bottle, and has no odor. Some examples of chemical properties are toxicity, chemical state in a given environment, flammability or the ability to burn, or preferred oxidation state. Chemical change is when a substance combines with another to form a new substance. So as you can tell in this lab, it was a physical change because no new substance was made. The formulas for water is H2O, which we talked about earlier when we said it has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Food coloring is more complex than water, as you can tell. Food coloring has 18 carbon atoms, 14 hydrogen atoms, 2 nitrogen atoms, 2 sodium atoms, 8 oxygen atoms, and 2 silicon atoms. All of these are elements that you can find on the periodic table of elements. Fun facts, the periodic table of elements was founded by Mendeleev and originally organized by atomic mass, but modern day we arrange the elements by atomic number. Anyways, Alka seltzer has 16 carbon atoms, 17 hydrogen atoms, and 14 sodium oxygen atoms. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today.